Interior repair. Now, the average interior repair costs anywhere between $75 and $95 retail. Average repair time, about 30 to 45 minutes per job. And the average repair costs will range anywhere between $3 and $5. Now, with our interior repair system, we teach you to repair damage in leather, vinyl, plastic, velour, carpets, and that includes redyne of carpets, faded worn leather, rips and tears in faded vinyl, plastic, scuffs, holes, cracks, cigarette burns in velour. In our training for this system, we teach you how to identify the type of damage, break it all the way down to its bare surface, and teach you how to build up, repair, repaint, seal the repair, and make sure that your customer is satisfied with your finished process. Now, the interior repair system is a great standalone business or a great addition to any existing business. We always say here at the Ding King, the more you learn, the more you earn.